How do you decide the right PPC budget when launching a new product? When it comes down to Amazon PPC budget, the first thing that I would like to clarify is the word budget. Most people, whenever they are saying budget, for some reason, especially brands who are smaller, they're thinking, oh, this is the small thing that I have for ads, Big brands that you are helping. By big brands, I mean like 6-figure brands, monthly, 7+ figure yearly. They also have a budget. So the first thing that I want you to understand that when I'm talking about budget, I'm talking what is the money you're willing to allocate to gather data, to double down on the data that you gathered, that it was positive. 3, make sure that the data that you gathered, that it's not helpful for you, to pause it, stop it. So when it comes down to Amazon launch, whenever you're launching a product on Amazon and you're asking about how to decide the right PPC budget when launching a new product, it's really important for you to, 1, understand your product, understand your category. For example, if it comes down to a supplement brand, supplements usually, they're very, very competitive. So the sheer fact that you're, 1, selling supplement, you should have enough inventory for the supplements, but then 2, you should also be aware that the cost per click is going to be very high. By very high, I mean $5, $10, $20, $50, even $50, it can be one freaking click. If you're going to go for multiple keywords right away, you will know that, okay, if I'm going to 5 keywords and my cost per click can be up to $50, which is like a lot. And if I know at least 10 clicks in order to convert, which is 10% conversion rate, which is very high actually in the supplements and consumable products, then you will think, okay, for one campaign, for one keyword, I will need at least $500 per day to convert. And then you're going to multiply that by 30 because they're 30 days. When it comes down to budget, it's really important not only how to budget, but thinking how aggressive do you want to go whenever you're launching. This is the climax of where you build your business. Let's start and let's gain real data from real customers that I created this product for. You would want to have as much data as possible. If you just started out, especially for supplements or consumable items, it's going to take at least 1 to 2 months, even 3 months sometimes, until you're going to see, okay, now I'm starting to get sales. Because what is happening most of the time when it comes down to launching on Amazon and budgeting for Amazon, most people are thinking, this is my 1 month budget. You should be thinking, this is my 1 quarter budget. And then how am I going to split that budget? Let's say if you're going to budget $10,000 a quarter, that at least $3,000 should go within each month. So that $10,000, you should account for it. In case you have a niche where the cost per click is higher, you should be thinking at least $10,000 per month. And that is your marketing cost budget. You are marketing your business on Amazon.